90-253-99. Okay. Yes, like this when luck is knocking on the door and you're busy doing something else. As the saying goes. Okay, we'll try the next one. So anyone, you can come up front. Yeah, come. Just shuffle. Shuffle first, okay? Just shuffle first and you can take any from this, okay? Okay. So this guy, he is a very supportive. He's a very supportive guy. So the reason why I say he's very supportive because his name is very supportive. Can you guess his name? Number 415, Iba Kershan Lang Sotun. Oh, Kershan Lang Sotun. Is he here, Kershan Lang Sotun? Halo. Halo, Pak Kershan. Bukan kan? Oh, tak dan buat apa pintas ni? Hah? Pergi job yang iPhone ini nak Frank Yamaha. Okay, Syabro is not pintas. You're on speaker. Kita ni. Kalau kau try wan sini mah, dia awan mentaru. Kita ni.
Apa sekret?
Sekretariat tante ha dulu pasaran deh. Oke, sahabat kawai, sahabat kelas sini, sahabat sini punya kali ka iPhone lebih jama.
Okey,
tak sampai makasama. Tapi action siren tu jo. We need another customer here to help you with the lucky draw. Another one. King sama. Thank you. Okay, we have another lady. And I'll try to pronounce, she didn't give a name, she gave an initial and her title. It's Mrs. Casey Lava. You're here? Oh, yeah.
Oh shit.
Wow, very well, Mona. So how many things do you want? How do you feel? I'm so happy. Yeah. Okay, so can you just show me your. Yes, it's 497. See, serial number 497 with the invoice number 3314. Okay, that's in case. And yes, it's a match. So we have all the three winners, and especially to those who have helped me pick up the Bahama. Please. Congratulations.